Welcome to the rock and roll palace that is the Hoboken Maker Bar. And here we have a half century of dronage. This is based on the Lookmanu computer drone. It's the simplest circuit that there is, as far as I know, to make a synthesizer type sound out of. So the first thing we will do is turn it on. And this has 10 banks of 5 oscillators. Let me give us a little bit of volume here. Second bank. Now, I can only play 5 banks at a time because I don't have a Y connector, and I built this such that it would be in what we might laughingly call stereo, that 5 banks would be on one side and another 5 banks could be on the other side, or they could be just affected differently. So I have this big funny switch on the front. That's kind of like the launch command switch. And then I'd just like to point out that I have made every single mistake one could make electrically, soldering, design. I've done it all. There's a lot of things I would do differently. Well, first of all, I would just be better at it. And I would make the bus wires a little more robust and understandable. But basically it works. I have no decision about what knobs to use, obviously, because I have at least a half a dozen different kinds of knobs on here, none of which I really think are perfect for this. But that's the basic thing. I do have to put a case on it, and then write an opera around it.